Lights are flashing. Train is getting ready to take off. Train coming. Yeah. 3 weeks ago, we had one of the biggest winter storms that we've had in a while. And so the Indiana Railroad actually Facebooked me and wanted to know if the trains were running on that Monday and Tuesday. They weren't. I sent a picture to them. They received the picture. They wanted to know what it was located at, so I said Anderson, Indiana. Just wanted to fill you in that obviously the trains have been running pretty good. Probably cold weather conditions didn't stop it today because we had minus 15 below zero. We had minus 17, 18 a few weeks ago. So my answer is no 3 weeks ago, but today everything seems to be up and running. So this is just a look back on the recent activity that's happened. Looks to be like CSX and Norfolk Southern both have suspended services. Doesn't look like the rails have been running that much at all. We just want everybody to be safe, be warm. So I just wanted to bring you an update real quick. These temperatures are pretty cold, so we just advise everybody to stay off the road, stay inside, and just to be safe and all that stuff. I'll bring you more updates as I get them. Thank you. Second crossing at the CSX. We're on John Street, and they could have been in use earlier today. I mean, I could tell, but probably not too much. So it is pretty interesting. Anyways, just another update. Second. Oops. Good afternoon. I hope everybody is safe and keeping warm. I was just taking a little detour through downtown Anderson. The Indiana Railroad on my Facebook wanted to know if trains were running today. It looks to me like I don't think there are any trains running. I snapped a few pictures on the Vineyard Crossing, also on the cross street. And then I went to the main CSX line on Madison Avenue and also John Street, and it didn't look like any trains were running. I believe all the trains are out of service, so so hopefully they'll probably be up and running by Wednesday. It's probably because due to the cold weather and all the snow and the storm. So anyways, that's my take on it. But if there's anybody up there who has any live updates, feel free to share with me. And I appreciate it, and I appreciate you guys watching. Good evening. Coming from you live from Chinatown. That's the Burlington North Santa Fe train. This is our first freight train of the night. You're gonna hear the whistles blow in just a few seconds. Here we go. Man, that sounds good. Gotta love that sound. So here we are. What an awesome sight. This is a Norfolk Southern train, baby. Wow. $6.50 outside of Walgreens and another metro setting. Thanks for watching.